What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In this basic hip hop dance combo series episode, we're going to be adding arms to our third 8 count. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box and apply today so we can work together. Alright, so in this episode, we will be using episodes 1 through 5. So if you haven't checked those out yet, be sure to check them out before coming to this one. Alright, so let's jump into this episode by adding our arms. So since our arms were up here from our last 8 count, all I'm going to do is I'm going to swing this left arm up, and I'm almost going to hit a wall, almost like I'm hitting a wall back here. So you want to think, hit the wall, and then my arm's going to bounce off it and go back, and then I'm going to drag through it. So I'm gonna hit the wall, come back, drag through it. So just with your left arm, since up here, again, I'm swinging around, hit the wall, come back, drag through the arm. Okay, so now with our feet, just with that, I'm up here. Now I wanna go hit the wall, back, drag through the wall. Okay, so again, here we go. 6, 7, 8, I'm going hit, back, drag, and up. So one more time. 6, 7, 8, I'm going hit, back, drag, and up. So same thing with this one. I'm gonna hit this wall here. So my right arm's gonna hit this wall back here, hit the wall, come back, drag through the arm. So just with your right arm, I'm going hit the wall, back, drag with your arm. So now with your feet, I'm going hit, back, drag through the arm. So you kind of think that your arms are kind of following what your body is doing. So they both hit the wall here and here, hit the wall. This kind of follows your body weight back. Then I'm dragging all my energy towards this wall. Drag over here. Again, both bouncing off the wall here and back here. Hit the wall, catch it back here, drag over here. Okay, so let's try it again. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good, let's try it one more time. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going bounce, back, dragging through, bounce, back, dragging through. All right, so try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going bounce, back, drag to your right, bounce, back, drag to your left. Good, let's try it one more time. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going bounce, back, drag to your right, bounce, back, drag to your left. All right, so now let's try combining it with your second 8 count, and then we'll go from the top. So from the second 8 count, so 6, 7, 8. This goes pockets, open, pockets, open. This goes in, out, up, new 8 count, bounce, back, drag, and over, bounce, back, drag, and over. Very good. So if you have that, we're gonna go from the top. If not, go ahead and pause it. Make sure you drill that a couple times and then come back. So here we go. So from the top. So 6, 7, arms, open. This goes open, close, open, close, open, close. Second 8 count, pockets, and in, out, up, and bounce, back, drag to your right, bounce, back, drag to your left. All right, so let's take it from the top again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, open, arms. This goes open, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pockets, 2, 3, 4, in, out, 6, in, out, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, also subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this one. Again, you want to almost feel like you're bouncing off a wall, ricocheting back, and then really dragging your arm through. So key tip for this one is kind of like act what your body is doing. So if my body's going forward, my back arm is kind of like pulling me back to the back, and that lets me fall back here. And then when my body goes this way with my feet, I'm letting my arm kind of guide me that way. Okay, so a second thing is make sure, again, when you're combining your A counts, get your basic A counts down first, then you can combine them together. So I'm all about getting the feet down first and then starting to add the arms versus you trying to worry about arms and feet and combine the A counts. So get your basic A counts down with your feet, add your arms, and then combine them together as one whole combination. All right, so I'd love to see you practicing and training this movement. So go ahead and post up a video. Make sure you tag it at Darren R. Wong, and I'll be sure to give you props, shout outs, and good things like that. All right, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and also leave a comment below. Tell me what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.